Sekuphela amasonto amabili kwabheduka isifo sohudo eHammanskraal kodwa kuze kube manje imbangela yaso ayikaziwa. Manje sekungenelele uhulumeni.
To improve the way in which the works treats the sewage and to increase the quality of the discharged effluent which goes into the Arpies River. This will reduce the levels of E. coli from the treated sewage water from the iRooiwal plant that is released into the Arpies River.
Uhlelo lokulungiswa kweIRooiwal kuzokwenziwa ngegaba ezintathu. Isigaba sokuqala sogxila ekuphothuleni loluhlelo olaqalwa ngumkhandlu dolobha eThswane. Kuhlelwe ukuthi umsebenzi uqale ngomandulo uze uphothulwe ngolwezi wangonyaka ozayo.
Even assistance by experts in different aspects of water, because this is a serious matter considering that water is life and that it is a right.
The most concrete deliverable is the phase 1, because we do have the money for that in the bank, so to speak. But funding the rest of the project is going to require this cooperation. That's why we're starting a technical committee with National Treasury.
Iphathimandla zithi ukuqedwa kohlelo lokuthuthukisa iRooiwal kuzohlumelisa nesinye isikhungo esikhiqiza amanzi ithemba nesophothulwa ngoNhlangulana wango-2026.